What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix common Adobe Premiere Pro render and export errors on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Are you having issues rendering or exporting your Premiere Pro project? This is quite common and should be easy to fix. While using Premiere Pro, click on Sequence in the top menu bar. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Sequence Settings. Here, under Video Previews, locate Preview File Format and change the Microsoft AV to this option. Now, click on OK and apply your changes. This can already fix render or export problems for a lot of Premiere Pro users. Make sure to retry rendering your project after applying your changes. If the problem persists, then make sure that any resource-intensive programs are not running in the background. You can use your Task Manager to close any other applications that are using up your graphics card or processor resources. You should also make sure that your graphics card and operating system is up to date. To update your graphics card, I suggest using the GeForce Experience application. On this window, navigate to the Drivers section and download the latest update in case there's one available to you. The application will proceed to automatically install the latest GPU driver. To update your OS, navigate to your Windows settings. On this window, navigate to the Windows Update section and select Check for updates before downloading and installing the latest Windows version. You can then update Premiere Pro before trying to render or export your project again. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.